Hello friends, welcome. We'll continue our learning Python, the introduction and basic part. In this, we'll also learn about what is the difference between a compiled language and interpreted language, what are the platforms we'll use to write the Python code. But before that, we'll learn what are the areas the Python is used, which domain it is used, which domain it is preferred, and where the other languages are preferred and Python is not used, and the reason for that. These things we'll discuss now. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's learn this topic. Visit this URL. This is the introduction part of Python. This is there in the description. You can visit this. Then here is the comparison table where it is used and different domains and where the which language is preferred and how the Python is used here. Now below that you will also get interpreted language and compiled language, which you are going to read in the discuss in the next session. So here the details. Suppose you are before moving to the Hello World program, say you want to study this, complete this part, or if you feel any difficulties, study the Hello World program and continue with Python, and do come back here again to analyze these classifications, because this will give you an idea what are the overall programming languages are and why they are used and what are the areas they are used. We'll start from the Python introduction. Here we go. Next, let's learn little bit about history, who has started this Python. And this name Python is not because it's related to a snake. It is actually name of a comedy circus, which the author was quite impressed with, and his favorite one was this. So the name Python came from that. Now let's just come to our main thing. Here you can see some of the areas where Python is used. Now we'll discuss little bit about these important areas, and you can give your views. You may or may not agree with me. You write it in the comment section, the reason why you feel that this comparison is different, and what are the, and another thing is, with the time and technology availability, this may change also. Tomorrow something is not preferred, maybe a preferred language for those applications, and see that it is Python is capable of doing lot of things, but it is not preferred. So our classification is preferred language, and can do means Python is capable of doing it, but something else is preferred. When it comes to handling data, Python rules. It is most preferred, and because of its libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib for plotting graphs and all, these combinations are mostly useful for getting insights and analyzing the data. When it comes to plotting a graph, say a pie chart or bar chart, anything with it related to data, it is the Python is the preferred language, but it can do. See, it is not the preferred language, but it can do. Say, then what else? Suppose your exclusive job is to plot some graphs and all, definitely you will prefer, say, something like Power BI or Tableau, or say Looker Studio of Google. All these are mostly preferred compared to Python. Anyway, if you are within the data analysis and want to draw a chart, matplotlib is there for you to develop. But still we will say that for plotting of graphs and all, Python can do, but we will not put it under preferred category. For desktop application, again it is Python which rules. The Kinter, all the tutorials, whatever we have discussed, you must have seen Kinter, PyQt, and all these are excellent for the desktop application. So here we'll say Python is the preferred language. For mobile application development, it is the Kotlin, Swift. They rule the market than compared to the Python. For the web development, we'll put Python in the category that it can do, but not the preferred. So those who are using Django with Flash and all developing using Python may not agree with me, but still you see that PHP is what it is ruling the world. The WordPress, if you say where the 43% of the total website runs on our content management system CMS, that WordPress is very popular. And next to WordPress also, Joomla, Drupal and all, they all use PHP. So PHP, and it is the easy hosting. So almost all web hosting providers supports PHP, and it has started with that. So it is the PHP which rules the world when you comes to web development or web hosting when you set up a website. And Python is here, can do, with the help of Django, Flash and all. But mostly this Python, we have seen it works on the intranet applications where in the organization has a lot of data handling and to show in the browser. In that case, the Python is preferred with Django. Let's see another area where web scraping. This is a simple small area, but still Python rules because its library beautiful soup and all. It rules and it is very easy to use. We'll discuss that more. Say in the next graphics area, Python is it can do. Say we can draw curves, ellipse, straight lines and all. But you will definitely not going to use Python to draw a logo for someone. So for that you will just jump to Photoshop or Canva to do. So in case of graphics, it can do, but it is not preferred language. Now let's come to file system handling. Python rules here. It's all beautiful libraries for your routine task on file management and all. It is Python is preferred. And next come machine learning and AI. It's beautiful language and support of the libraries and all. This again Python rules here. So Python is the preferred language for machine learning and artificial intelligence areas. So it is the language, the simplicity of the language which rules here. But why not at the game development? Here, though Python can be done, but C, C++ are used mostly for the game development. Here are some additional areas we will see. So this is the next we'll move. Here you see these additional areas you can consider: cybersecurity, ethical hacking. This is primarily Python is used. Embedded and IoT, still Python has lot of way to go because C, C++ are preferred. Finance, this finance area Python is widely preferred for our stock analysis, trading and all. Python rules there. And blockchain and cloud computing and services, it can do, but these are Python is not our preferred language. Here are some questions for you. Try to work on it. So what are the areas where Python is primarily and what can do, what you have discussed? Expand it to more areas also. For mobile application development, why Python is not the best choice? Think on that. C, C++ also, what are the compared to this, which areas it is better? And you just come to the last point where I am saying that web development, which one you will choose, Python and PHP. I think we had discussed a lot on that. Please think on this. Tomorrow the technology may change and something else may come up. But right now, which one is ruling? I think that's the good number of ideas or thoughts for you to discuss on that. And before we move, next session, we'll see about how the Python program flows. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and you are having any doubt, suggestion or anything which you don't agree, whatever we have discussed it. So please do come back here again and study the comparison table and let us know if you have any issue or don't agree with us that no, this is not preferred here or that is preferred here. Please write it in the comment section. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends and thank you for watching.